Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning we're going to be giving a quick update on AAP stock. This is AppLovin Corporation. We are seeing this stock on Friday falling by about 2%, taking us down to 490. But coming into today's pre-market session, we are actually seeing an increase of 9%, which begs the question of where do we go from here? And over the course of this short video, I'll be giving you my personal thoughts and opinions based on what we are seeing. If it sounds good, as always, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That would be appreciated. And do remember as well, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. But yeah, with that being said, let's jump straight in. Again, we're seeing this one up by 9% in the pre-market. With that being said, still got just under an hour to go until markets open at the time of filming. So what actually happens today may be very different. Now, of course, breaking into this level puts us at a price of 536. If we're able to maintain that today, then that is going to be significant for a number of reasons. Recent levels of difficulty that we have seen in this stock, you could argue are at roughly 489, you could argue are at 495, you could argue are at 503. If we are indeed going to see markets open with this stock well above 500, that would be significant for a number of reasons. Again, it would set us at a new month high, and it would signify a very, very positive trend for the rest of the week potentially. Now, if that is the case, and if we do see that, a few things to note. Again, that's a significant jump, especially considering how much the stock is up since essentially mid to late August anyway. But that does show a lot of strength still being there. It shows a lot of potential still being there. And after we have found a relatively solid consolidation point, twice, right, we found a support level as well at 470 roughly. After we've seen this dip, this healthy sell-off, I would say that we've seen from 490 all the way down to 470 as well, you could make a very strong argument that we're now consolidating and absolutely ready to come back at this one very strong. So today is going to be a very indicative day, I think, of the rest of the week. Again, a push to this level that we are already seeing does signify that the strength is still here with the stock and things may be looking very good. Again, the uptrend may still be there. Now bear in mind, coming towards Friday, or into Friday on the RSI, this stock was actually coming towards oversold. You know, not fully there yet, of course not, but we were coming down there, right? So now you're coming to a point where the stock is going to be up potentially 10% on market open, possibly, and you've got to ask the question of what comes next. Well, my opinion is very simple, right? I think it sets the stage for another very positive week. We want to establish new levels of support this week as well at these new higher levels. Again, ultimately, levels that we have struggled at before is 500 exactly. So anything today or in the next couple of days that is a support above 500 is a very, very strong sign. We want to lock in those gains, remain above 500, and if we can see that both today and in the next few days, I think things are looking very positive. Perhaps I'll give you another more updated and more comprehensive video on this stock after today's trading session. So if you like this video, let me know, and again, I can produce another one in more detail. Just a quick morning update for you based on what I think we may see, and giving you the details of the pre-market so far. Thank you for your time. See you again soon, guys. Goodbye.